Alright, good morning. Y'all ready to hang? Glad to see you. This is our Juneteenth meal. And what we have is pasta, multicolored pasta with rotisserie chicken. And we have the garnish to go in it, and I'm going to explain that to you. And we also have the butter flake crescent rolls. Pasta itself, it has about 10, 15 to 18 calories. But by the time you put whatever you want to put in it, it's more. So that varies. We're going to add this pasta. And this here is rotisserie chicken, the chicken breast without the skin. Okay, and this here is red pimentos. This is about 1/4 of a cup. And that chicken was a 1/2 cup. And right here are black olives. Okay, and right here is a combination of orange, yellow, and green bell peppers diced up with red onions to give it a little extra flavor. Okay, 1/4 cup of cooked diced ham. We'll put that in there. And these are our cherry tomatoes cut in half. Okay, and this right here is 1 boiled egg diced up. Okay, and this is the seasoning. Okay, now you can season it the way you want to. Right in here, what I have is Italian seasoning, minced onions, and I'm gonna put that, just sprinkle that around. And then we have some special MTS seasoning that I always use on all the stuff we always have in here. It's got a little bit of cayenne, Cajun pepper in here, garlic powder, and garlic salt, and onion salt.
You bought it down.
This is the kind of pasta that I'm using today with carbohydrates, and it has fiber in it. This is the brand. Kroger's makes their own brand, but this is Barnelli. Okay, this is the Italian seasoning. This right here is parsley. This is onion powder. And this is Parmesan cheese, where you could take it and sprinkle it on top of it once you plate it. Okay, and these two, okay, are Tarjan. One has cilantro in it, and the other one is normal. But you have to be careful when you're using these already made up seasons, because sometimes they have too much sodium in it, and you overload your food with salt. And you guys notice I never cook with salt, because some of the seasonings have some in it. Okay, we have all the garnishes in here. We have the eggs, we have the parsley, and we have the tomatoes. We got green and yellow and orange bell pepper diced up. So now I'm going to put this here is about 3 tablespoons. Okay, so I'm going to take one and put it in 1.5 tablespoons of mayo. Mayo of your choice. Okay, we're going to combine all these ingredients together. See, and you know your pasta sucks up a lot of mayonnaise when you're making salads, and sometimes that's why I wanted to do it while you guys were here, because if I had did it pre-made, then your salad will be dried out, and then I'd have to do it over again. And sometimes you add too much. And this is what we have. There you go. You see the tomatoes, the parsley, you see the black olives, the green olives. Okay, so we're going to set this to the side because it's not chilled. And I do have some that's already made that is chilled. So we're going to check that out, regroup. Okay, voila, this is the end result of it. Okay, so we're going to serve these up on some plates. Thank you. Have a good day.